Hi there and welcome to the Trust Million Binary FX review. Are you looking at diversifying your portfolio? Maybe you're looking at buying and trading Bitcoin and you're thinking of signing up to the Trust Million Binary FX cryptocurrency trading platform. Is it a legit trading platform? I compare it to two of the other trading platforms that I usually use, and you know what? I found a couple of red flags and I'd like to share them with you in this video so that you can have a much more clearer picture of what Trust Million Binary FX is all about and you can make a more informed decision. My name is Rupesh and a very warm welcome to you to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best possible ways to making money online. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And if you want to learn how you can start your very own online business, feel free to check out my #1 recommendation just by clicking on a link that is directly below this video. So now let's take a look at the website of Trust Million Binary FX. Okay, so here we are at the official website of Trust Million Binary FX, and I see it's taking quite a long time to load. So nevertheless, what I'm going to do is, maybe their site might be down or whatever. So I'm going to take you to my website and passiveincomeforall.com, and this is where I have written a complete review on Trust Million Binary FX. So I'm going to walk you through this review, right? So the first thing is, what is Trust Million Binary FX all about? So it is a platform that allows you to buy and trade cryptocurrency, and also they have investment plans, and I'm going to show you what these investment plans are all about. But on the official website, right, I took a screenshot that they claim that they have been 17 years on the market and they have processed around 165,000 transactions a day, and that they are operational in 127 countries. And I'm going to share some light on this as well later on. And now let's quickly check out what the red flags are about Trust Million's Binary FX. So the first red flag is there's no email confirmation or two-step verification. Now, remember I told you earlier on, I signed up to other trading platforms, and what happens is when you sign up to one of these cryptocurrency trading platforms, they are actually quite strict on who they actually allow on the platform, and they need to make sure that you are a legit person. So one of the things that they normally do is they send you an email confirmation, an email verification, and you need to verify that you are the owner of the particular email. And when it comes to Trust Million Binary FX, there was no such thing as that. And secondly, they also do not have any withdrawal or deposit limits. Most of the cryptocurrency exchanges like Kraken and Luno, they have verification limits, and you have to provide them with documentation to unlock the various levels of verifications. In other words, your residential address and identity. And if you can provide them with this documentation, then they will unlock for you the higher levels. Like for instance, on Luno, once I provided them with my residential address, ID, and so forth, then they've unlocked me onto they put me onto verification level 3, stage 3, and this means that I'm able to make unlimited amount of deposits and withdrawals. Right, let's just see. I think the site is back up. All right, so here is the Trust Million Binary FX website, and this is what it looks like. Secure and easy way to trade Bitcoin and Bitcoin wallet, and there is some pop-ups that comes up about us. The site is owned by Trust Million Binary FX Limited, a registered company in the USA for cryptocurrency investment solution. Let's see, strong security, well coverage, high liquidity, and these are the different packages that we'll talk about later on. Then they have a Bitcoin calculator, and that's basically, here's some testimonials as well. And yeah, that is what the website is all about. Now let's carry on with the review or the red flags. And then the second red flag is the the amount of reviews that were on the website. Now, I showed you some of the testimonials on the official website, but now I'm not talking about positive reviews on the official website. I'm talking about third-party website reviews. And for this, I usually go to a site called trustpilot.com. And on trustpilot.com, the site scored a very low rating of 2.7 out of 5 stars. As you can see, 75% of it was bad, 25% was poor, and hardly any or excellent or great or even average for that matter. The main complaints on trustpilot.com was that people were unable to receive their money when it came time for them to withdraw their money. And then the third red flag is they claim to be around since Bitcoin was invented. So in other words, according to the website, they've been in the market for 17 years. But this is simply not true, because I done a background check on the domain and I found out that the domain was actually registered only on the 16th of March 2021. So as you can see, it's less than a year that the domain has been operational. In fact, it's just over a year, because today it's the 17th of March, right? And then the red flag number 4 is that there's no owner transparency or social media presence. So what do I mean by this is that there's no record of any founders or owners of this particular website. Even the social media icons, like, let me show you what I mean. If we go down here, there are social media icons. Where did I see them? And even if you were to click on any of them, it doesn't go anywhere. The Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Plus. Well, the Google Plus has been discontinued from Google a long time ago. I don't know why they still got an icon, but nevertheless, as you can see, so they don't even show you any social media presence. And if they claim to be in the market for 17 years, surely by now they should have some social media presence. Don't you agree? Okay, so let's carry on. And then there are fake testimonials on the official website. So now there are a couple of testimonials that I've showed you now on the official website, and one of them is of this gentleman here, Mr. Rice Harry. And apparently he has made like 4 successful withdrawals. He claimed to have made 4 successful withdrawals using the Trust Million Binary FX platform. But on more deeper research, I found out that this picture of Mr. Rice Harry is available in other places as well. For instance, on Forex Option Pay, okay, Trust Million Binary, we've seen that. But also here on different other websites, and he's trading as different names. I mean, he goes by different names, such as Thomas Barris or Marcus Robson. So the question is, can you really trust these testimonials on the official website? Now, in addition to these testimonials, remember I showed you those small pop-ups, and those are the pop-ups where people claim to have made money using the platform. And you might be wondering, how exactly do you make money? And this is what I'm going to show you next. How to make money with the Trust Million Binary FX. So when you log into the members area, your dashboard area will look like this. And it's got little icons here on the left hand side: dashboard, investment plans, make a deposit, trading history, my profile, request a withdrawal, and then log out. Now it's this investment plan area that I want to show you. When you click on that icon, then it will come up to this, and this is where they show you the different investment plans which you can purchase, and you can earn a passive return on your investment. So now the investment plans start from $500 for the silver package. It goes right up to $3,000, and there you can earn a 10% daily profit on your investment. And then on the silver plan, on the gold plan, it's $1,500 to $9,500. There they will give you a 20% daily profit on your investment. And on the premium, it's from $2,500 right up to $16,000, and there they give you a 30% daily profit on your investment. According to the terms and conditions, there are no withdrawal limits, and they've got various payment methods such as Bitcoin, PayPal, MoneyGram, and Western Union. Now, this is the tab that I showed you early on. The people that have earned an income supposedly made money via these investment plans. But as you can see, or as you can imagine, it's very difficult to verify those sort of testimonials. Right, so what I like about binary millions FX. There's not really much that I found that's attractive about this website. Right now, I wanted to show you the dashboard area again, but the site cannot be reached, so you're down again. All right. Some of the red flags that I showed to you, we talked about that. But what else I don't like is that there's no owner transparency. It's false and misleading money claims, and they have unverified testimonials. All right, so now is Trust Million Binary FX, is it a scam? Now, in my opinion, I do not believe that this is a website that one should trust. I was sent the company's business proposal via Telegram, and I noticed that these days scammers use this platform quite often to lure people in. So just watch. I'm not saying everything that you're going to get via Telegram is a scam. I'm just saying do your research on what it is that you've been sent, and check the internet, go onto YouTube, and you'll find more information on that particular platform. So coming back to Trust Million Binary FX, they do look initially quite attractive and they promise quick returns, but those are where the red flags are. And besides Trustpilot.com, even on Quora.com, folks were sharing stories of how they lost money to this venture. And here is one such testimonial on Quora. I had a negative experience with Trust Million Binary FX. I was impressed by the testimony of investors as well as the seriousness of the website, and having confidence, I bought a $100 investment plan to receive $2,100 after 4 days. At first, he should take 10% of the $2,000 at the end of the process. And to my surprise, I received an email telling me that I must pay $72 so that the broker can trade my investment. Then I pay this amount. At the end of the 4 days, I get another message telling me if I don't pay the IRS fees and the ATV fees and the 10%, I will not receive the profit. So basically, it's just about investing more and more. It's a common pattern where they ask you to invest a small amount initially, then in order to withdraw your earnings, then they ask you to pay a service fee and all other fees. Before you know it, you end up paying so much that it becomes so high that you don't get anything back in return as well. You know what? There are so many of these crypto scams that are doing the rounds. You just have to be very careful. Some of them will even take it to the point of having a multi-level marketing structure incorporated into the scheme, and they will be selling you these VIP packages. Then they'll tell you that if you recruit your friends and family, you can earn much more higher commissions. And then at the end of the day, you'll find out that it's nothing more than a Ponzi scheme. So just be very careful of these kind of crypto scams that are doing the rounds. If you're not sure about any of them, you can leave a comment in any of my YouTube videos and I'll do a research on it and I'll get back to you. If you want to get started with cryptocurrency, then I would recommend go with the legit platforms like Binance, Kraken, and Luno. You know what? There you will find that are much more stricter in terms of the registration process in it, but at least you know that your deposits and your withdrawals are in much more safer hands. Thanks so much for joining me on this review on Trust Million Binary FX. I hope that it has helped you out. Now, if you are looking to get started with making money online, and if you want to start your very own online business, but you're not sure exactly where to get started and what business model to get started with, then click on the link that is below this video. You will gain access to my free 4-day course video training where I will show you on how you can get started with a proven business model. Once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. It was so awesome to speak to you today, and I look forward to checking out in my next video. Wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.